Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to show the touch keyboard automatically when no keyboard is attached in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait for your Windows 11 computer to completely load up. Give it a moment to fully start and reach the desktop screen where everything is ready to use. Once your PC is ready, begin by clicking on the Windows Start menu icon located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. The Start menu will appear, and from here you'll need to access your system settings. In the search field that appears, type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Settings window, which is your central hub for customizing how Windows operates. Now, within the Settings window that opens, look for the Ease of Access option. This section contains various accessibility features designed to make Windows easier to use for everyone, including tools for vision, hearing, and interaction. Go ahead and click on Ease of Access to access these features. After entering the Ease of Access menu, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll see a list of different accessibility categories. Scroll down through this menu until you find the Keyboard option. This section specifically controls keyboard-related accessibility settings, including virtual keyboard options. Click on Keyboard to open its settings. Once you're in the keyboard settings page, you'll immediately see the option labeled Use your device without a physical keyboard. This feature is exactly what you need because it controls whether Windows automatically displays the touch keyboard when no physical keyboard is detected on your device. This is particularly useful for tablets or two-in-one devices where you might detach the keyboard frequently. To enable this feature, simply click on the toggle button located below this option to turn it on. You'll notice the toggle switch change position and color, indicating that the feature is now active. And that's it. You've successfully configured Windows 11 to automatically show the touch keyboard whenever no physical keyboard is attached to your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.